This is gonna blow your mind. Hey savvy travelers, and welcome back to Forever Diverse Journeys. Ever feel like cruise lines have a whole playbook designed to get you to spend more? Well, today we're flipping the script and revealing the secrets they don't want you to know. I'm pulling back the curtain on 12 insider tips and tricks that cruise lines really prefer you didn't know. These aren't just your average tips. These are ways to genuinely outsmart the system, save a ton of cash, and make your next cruise your best one yet. Ready to cruise like a 𝗟𝗃? Let's dive in and uncover the secrets that will transform your cruising experience. Knowing these insider tips can make all the difference in your cruising experience, from saving money to enjoying exclusive perks. Alright, first up are money-saving gem discounted cruise line gift cards through AARP. Now, before you say, I'm not 65, guess what? Anyone can join AARP for a small annual fee. And the payoff? Access to gift cards for lines like Royal Caribbean and Celebrity, typically at a 10% discount. That means a $500 gift card costs you $450. Buy enough to cover your cruise fare or onboard spending and you've instantly saved. Cruise lines offer these, but they're not shouting it from the crow's nest. Grab them while you can. You've seen them. Sale ends tonight. Limited time offer, plastered all over cruise websites. Here's the secret. These sales are almost always running. When one ends, another remarkably similar one often begins. Cruise lines use this tactic to create a sense of urgency, making you feel like you need to book immediately. But here's the catch. The sale price is often just the regular price, cleverly disguised. So don't let those countdown timers pressure you. Take your time, compare prices, and book when you're ready. Look for genuine deals by comparing prices over time and using price tracking tools. Booked your cruise? Amazing! But don't relax just yet. Your job isn't done because cruise fares can fluctuate significantly. If the price of your exact cabin category on your exact sailing drops before your final payment date, most cruise lines will honor the lower price or offer you onboard credit for the difference. This can save you a lot of money or enhance your cruise experience. But you have to be proactive and check regularly. Cruise lines won't automatically adjust the price for you. They count on you not noticing. It's your money. Make sure you claim it back. Happy cruising. Use price tracking tools and set alerts to stay updated. This way you won't miss any price drops. Cruise lines heavily promote their short excursions with the enticing "ship won't leave you" guarantee. This sounds reassuring, but in reality it's rare for any well-organized excursion to make you miss the ship. Don't let this scare tactic deter you from exploring reputable, independent tour operators. They often provide smaller groups, unique experiences, and better prices. Remember, the cruise lines make a hefty commission on their tours, which is why they push them so hard. If your independent tour is delayed, contact the cruise line immediately. They often assist in coordinating your return to the ship. Alternatively, consider booking through third-party companies that offer their own guarantees and insurance. Many newer ships have energy-saving light switches that require your room key. Annoying, right? The secret: any card of similar size often works. An old gift card, a library card. This way you can keep the lights and power on without sacrificing your room key. The cruise line installs these for energy saving, but you can easily work around it. This hack ensures you can charge your devices and keep the room comfortable without any hassle. Plus, you can use any card you don't need daily, like an old library card, to keep the lights on. Drinks on board are notoriously expensive. Cruise lines mark up prices significantly to boost their profits. For example, a $7 soda on land can cost you $40 for a 12-pack equivalent on the ship. But here's a pro tip. Most cruise lines allow each adult to bring a 12-pack of non-alcoholic beverages and 1 or 2 750 ml bottles of wine or champagne per stateroom in their carry-on. This simple trick can save you hundreds of dollars, allowing you to enjoy your vacation without breaking the bank. And the best part? Their own rules allow this, so pack smart and cruise like a pro. Remember, beverages must be in your carry-on and not in checked luggage. Follow the rules and enjoy your drinks on board. Always check with your cruise line for carry-on beverage policy. Cruise ship Wi-Fi is notoriously expensive, the multi-device myth. You often pay for one device, but it usually means one device at a time. This can be frustrating if you need to switch between your phone and laptop. To get around this, simply log out on one device before logging in on another. It's a bit of a hassle, but it saves you money. Wait for onboard deals. Wi-Fi can be cheaper mid-cruise. Cruise lines often offer discounts on internet packages after the first few days. 𝗿𝗃𝗃𝗶𝗴. Utilize free or cheap Wi-Fi in ports. Many cafes and restaurants offer complimentary internet, so plan your online activities for these stops. Download what you need then. Before you set sail, download all necessary files, apps and entertainment to minimize your need for onboard Wi-Fi. Compare packages. Different packages offer varying speeds and data limits. Choose one that fits your needs to avoid overpaying. Bring a Wi-Fi booster. A portable Wi-Fi booster can help improve your connection, especially in cabins with weak signals. This is crucial for lines like Royal Caribbean. Drink packages, specialty dining, and internet often have dynamic pricing in the online cruise planner. This means the price can fluctuate based on demand and availability. The key strategy? Purchase when you find a price that fits your budget. If the price drops later, you can usually cancel and repurchase at the lower rate. This flexibility allows you to take advantage of better deals. Cruise lines rely on passengers not monitoring these changes, so stay vigilant and save money. Use mobile apps and set price alerts to stay updated on the best deals. Cruise line loyalty programs are treasure troves of hidden perks. From free laundry services and priority tender tickets to exclusive lounge access or even behind-the-scenes tours, these benefits can significantly enhance your cruise experience. If you have high status on one cruise line, don't hesitate to ask if another line will match it. This can open doors to similar perks without starting from scratch. Cruise lines often rely on passengers not fully utilizing their perks. By knowing and using all your status benefits, you can cruise like a pro. Look for loopholes like status matching, leveraging credit card partnerships, and booking through travel agents to maximize your benefits. Balconies are undeniably lovely, offering stunning ocean views and a private space to relax. But on a short, port-intensive cruise, you'll likely spend most of your time exploring ports or enjoying onboard activities. Cruise lines often charge a premium for balcony cabins because they know the allure of a private balcony is strong. For a quick getaway, opting for an ocean view or inside cabin can save you a significant amount of money, which you can then spend on excursions or special dining experiences. Cruise lines are banking on the allure of balconies, even when you might not use them much. Choose wisely and make the most of your budget. However, having a balcony can enhance your cruise experience, offering a serene spot to enjoy sunsets or a private breakfast with a view. On short cruises, a balcony can provide a perfect retreat after a day of exploring, making your trip even more memorable. Love a good steak, but don't want to shell out $50+ for the specialty steakhouse? You're not alone. Many cruise lines offer select steakhouse quality items on the main dining room menu for a modest upcharge, usually around $20 to $25. This is a great way to enjoy premium cuts without breaking the bank. You get the premium meal without the full specialty dining price. Plus, you can still enjoy the ambiance and service of the main dining room. Don't forget to ask your waiter for other dining tips and deals. Cruise line airport-to-port transfers are convenient but often wildly overpriced, sometimes $50+ per person, one way. Alternatives like Uber, Lyft, or a pre-booked private shuttle are almost always significantly cheaper and offer more flexibility. Public transportation, trains, or even rental cars can also be cost-effective and convenient options. The cruise line offers simplicity at a premium. But why pay more when you can save and still enjoy a seamless journey? By choosing alternatives, you not only save money, but also gain control over your schedule, ensuring a stress-free start to your vacation. And there you have it, 12 ways to cruise smarter and make the most of your vacation. By following these tips, you can save more of your hard-earned money and enjoy a stress-free trip. Which of these tips was new to you? Maybe it was the one about booking excursions independently to save money. Or perhaps the advice on choosing the right cabin to avoid noise. Share your thoughts and any of your own cruise line hacks in the comments below. Let's help each other out. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more cruise tips and tricks, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy and savvy cruising. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who love cruising.